Hi, I'm Carly Romig, and my project for Object Oriented is called ClueIn. Um, so I kind of came around to this idea because I was watching the movie Clueless, which is a movie from the 1990s with Alicia Silverstone. And basically, there's a scene near the beginning of the movie where she's looking through her closet and she's trying to figure out what outfit she wants to wear for the day. But she's a rich young adult, a high schooler, so of course she has the coolest software in her house. And in her closet, she has a mix and match software that mixes her tops and her bottoms until she decides on the perfect combination between those. So I thought that was a really cool idea, and I took part of the name of that movie, Clueless, and I made it into my title called Clue In. And basically, my idea is kind of feeding off of that, where users can just take any article of clothing from the closet that they have on the app, their inventory, and add and remove on a mannequin. So I'm trying to do it for one customer closet as of now, but hopefully I can get a few articles of clothing. It's definitely been proved to be a harder task than originally thought. So this is my original idea for ClueIn. I have this user login, which just shows some basic UI and the login, the password. And then you enter the main page, which is a mannequin. And when you click this button, closet, it shows all the different options in their closet that they have that they can click on, and then it can add to the mannequin. So was the main idea for ClueIn. And so I just started coding that up in the past few weeks. And I originally started with Eclipse as for with Java, but it has proven to be pretty difficult with that editor. It's just been crashing a lot and stuff like that. So right now I switched to IntelliJ. So there's still some kind of bugs with my code, and right now it's a pretty overview. It's kind of the skeleton. I kind of have um, most of the stuff in place. So I have mostly been working on my login for right now, and I've been following a tutorial with this guy showing a basic application on YouTube, and I've just been using Tomcat as my server, um, and I can show you my pom.xml as well. So this is just all the dependencies and everything. My web.xml is just in here. So yeah, right now I'm really just focusing on the login part so that you can just focus on the user, and then hopefully after that I can really get into the meat of things. And I'm hoping I can meet up with Liz or one of the TAs so that I can talk about how I can try to really implement adding and removing clothes, because I think that's something that I really need to work on. And I want to make sure I'm doing that the most efficient way, and maybe discussing even what API I want to use. Because right now I've been researching APIs, but I haven't really worked with that many before this point. So that is probably something that I would like to discuss with someone. So that's what I have for code as of now. And if you go to GitHub, I can also show you the code in here. So this is just the web.xml in GitHub. And in here as well. So yeah, just kind of what I was just saying before about I do still have a lot to implement still, but I think that I really need to just meet up and talk over the nuances of my project to make sure that I'm on the right track as well. And also just making sure that I'm implementing classes correctly, because that's my next big step is implementing get and setters in my code. So I have a basic skeleton right now, but I definitely have a lot more to work on. Well, thanks for listening.